Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, I got y'all pulled up. Let's check. Oh my gosh, so much news. All right, we got 10 a.m. news. Y'all know I don't like 10 a.m. Y'all know I don't like 10 a.m. But it's cool. We're gonna rock it out. All right, I'm dang near finna clear all this off. We're gonna start fresh. We're gonna start on the daily time frame. Can anybody tell me what kind of trend we're in? Where's my full screen feature, bro? I know it ain't this. That's not right. Can y'all hear me? There's no way, bro.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. All right. Anybody tell me what kind of trend we're in?
Downtrend.
Still, market is continuing to break structure to the downside. Absolutely. Look at this. Boom, break, boom, break, break, boom, break, boom. We slightly broke, but we still broke. But we're going to play around with it today. We're going to see. We got a bottom here, so I'm going to rewrite that bottom. Kind of like right there. That's a little support zone. We got some liquidity down here. I'm going to create this pink. That should be pink. I like pink more than I like yellow. Cool. We had some levels that liquidity hit, all that great stuff. Okay, we're going to focus on current price today. And we are under the 13 EMA. This is a bullish candle for the day, so we'll see if it wants to go up before going down or if it wants to retrace down. 4-hour time frame. Let's peep it. All right. Again, the story is telling us we are currently in a downtrend. Okay? Price is making a lower low here, a lower high here. This high is lower than this high, most previous. This low comes up a little bit, it's cool, chops around a little bit, but then we break this low. So we're coming up. I don't know if we're going to break these highs up here. We could see. We could definitely see. All right. Okay, we're just going to mark out a 4-hour zone. Hate that, bro. All right.
Like right now you're clear, but in a second you're gonna break it up, break that.
How? Audio's doing it again. Okay, markets. Not see, maybe it's the markets, bro. All right, let's see. How about now? Can y'all hear me smoother now? Thumbs up in the chat. Thumbs up in the chat.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're gonna try to keep going. Y'all just keep me posted. I'm gonna try to look back at the chat just to see. Because the other days I did the whole 15-minute spiel without looking and y'all was telling me. All right, let me bring this over just a little. Move this out the way. All right. So we're just gonna mark out 4-hour level, kind of like right here. Choppy again. It is. I feel like it is. But I've been doing this for months. Breathe. So maybe I just need to slow down. So I need a processor. They don't, bro. And typing in the chat was too much. All right, we're going to try to keep going. Just try to follow along. I'm going to try to be precise in my movements on the chart. All right. So we got this 4-hour level. We're going to write another one up here. But I'm not running YouTube right now. I'm just running Discord and a camera for my OBS. That's crazy. All right, let's change it back. If I speak, it says it's flowing. Input. Try it now. It should be on my mic now. It should be on my mic now. It should be smooth. We only got 5 minutes to figure it out. All right, let's drop down to the 1 hour. Y'all see the levels. Okay, so now we got new levels. We're in some nice places in a 1 hour. I liked your trade yesterday, AJ, right here. And then you took that sell off a little bit. I like that. It came to this next zone right here. And
I don't know. I'm glad I got out of it because...
Look at that on me. I know. But, hey, you still got your money. All you need to take is to the next level. Next level is right here. Then price started rejecting. You reacted. That's great. It's great. That's what it's about, man. So, something I want you guys to notice is we have a really good breakup structure right here. Breakup structure right here. We have a zone here within our 4-hour time frame. Zone, well, 4-hour zone. So I like this zone. And it's starting to reject it. However, it can do whatever it wants and kind of fake out. What we're looking for is price to either come back down this way. Oh. Or break above, retest, go back up. Okay, we got 2 things we're looking for today. Price was bullish on the daily, but we're still under the 13 EMA, so it could continue to fall. Okay. This would be liquidity down here. Okay, we haven't broken structure to the upside just yet. So that's what we're waiting for. Is it working? Okay, it looks like it's working. All right, we're going to go on down to the lower time frame. Okay, we're here. Gonna write our opening. We got like a couple minutes now for the market open. Then we got 10 o'clock news. All right, what we want to see is a break of structure and then a retest. We're looking for price to come down here and break this low, or come up here and break this high. We're just gonna be patient. We ain't got nothing to do today. There it goes. That's what I need. So we're just waiting. We're being patient today. And we already have our risk parameters. So we got to be picky about our trades. I'm going to pull up my risk calendar. That's not the risk calendar, but we're getting there. It's in my files. I got 3 minutes. Here we go. I got it. y'all can see it. There is a link, I believe, in the Discord, not in the Discord, in the bottom of the description box that you can find this free spreadsheet that I made in order to, calculate your risk, how much you want to risk. Mine, I believe, I might have to put it back in the chat. Let me see if I can put it back in Discord. I'm going to try to put it in Discord for y'all.
So are we looking for it to break either to the upside or the downside?
Absolutely. Because it could potentially break above that level, this zone, and then go higher. Or it could break, retest, come back, tap another zone, and then push a little bit lower. We have plenty of room to work with. What we always want to see when we trade is price coming to a higher time frame zone. This is a higher time frame zone. The last time it was at this zone, the big money players pushed price aggressively. So let's go back and see that real quick. We got about a minute. So price broke through this level. The last time it was here, it stopped and it broke down. Every time price came here, it reacted. It rejected, it pushed below, it pushed way above strong, it rejected, it pushed strong below. Let's see what happens here. This would be the first test of a push down below, so it could potentially go back down, or it could push back up strong like it did here after coming to this level. So we're just seeing, we got 28 seconds. Here we go. Hopefully that made sense. We got plenty of room to work with, level to level trading. Let's see. And I got my risk calculator up to do some calculations. Let me know if y'all can see it in the Discord too. It should be there. It's only for NYM though. All right, it's 9:30 New York time. Let's see. I used to watch price like really zoomed in, and I think that's very overstimulating. Like, I'm just gonna go back because I feel like it's less pressure when I look at it like from a little bit of a distance. Because I don't have to be like, oh my gosh, it's going up. Oh my gosh, it's going up. Oh my gosh. I'm chilling. And we got 4 minutes, bro. We're chilling right now. And also to state, this is not my entry point. This is not my entry point. These are a part of my rules. Or part of my system that I'm waiting for. We determined the trend was a downtrend, right? So now we're waiting for a break of structure to the downside. That's what we want to see in a perfect world. Then we'll wait for a tap of the zone. Once we've created a zone after the break of structure, and then we'll be patient and wait for it. Let's see what it wants to give. If price stays in the range all day, like, why am I in it? I take trending market trades. Let's see if I can elevate this real quick. All right, looks like we might get that break of the candle. Of this low right here. If we do, I want to see this candle close below. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and almost start marking it out. I do it a little bit early. I don't mark it, but I, put it up there so my eyes can see like where I'm going to kind of be looking at. All right, step number 2, we got the break of structure. Hopefully it don't leave us. We're going to write out our zone. Beautiful. We're going to calculate our zone so we're ready if it comes back to get us. About 100 points. Shooting for the 1 to 2. So I'm going to go to my risk calculator, find the 100 tick stop loss, 111 tick stop loss. And 5 contracts with me risking 277. So if this can close below, I'll wait for an entry on the lower time frame. But I want to see an aggressive move down, just like that, but strong. I want it to be really strong. Drop down to the 1 minute just to see what it's doing. It already kind of broke that, and see how it created another zone there. But I want it to break like this on the 5 minute, not the 1 minute. Because the 1 minute is too, doing whatever I want to do, but still having the same higher time frame outcome, just taking a very convoluted path to get there. I don't want to be chopped up in the convoluted path. Let's see if we can get a break below. Doesn't look like it so far. Okay, it hit this bottom. We're going to see if it holds or breaks above this high up here. That's what we want to see. We want to see a big push below. Y'all see that square right there? I didn't even have to write that square for it to be in a choppy zone right there. That's so aggravating. So we wanted to break out of this zone because we're looking for a trend. We take a trend strategy. We want to see a trend. If we're not trending, why are we even here? So we just gotta wait. That's a much better break. Let's see if it'll come back and get us later. If we wanted to, we could take it here. It's got 2 consecutive candles on the 5 minute. We could take it here, because it also broke structure to the downside on the 1 minute. News at 10, exactly. Why would I do that to myself? It's 40 ticks for the 1 to 4 in the same exact spot. So it's not the worst idea, but I don't think I want to take it. But let's see. I might. It's 40 ticks. I'd have to risk 13 contracts. Oh, it already tapped it. Hold on. I missed it. It's okay. 13. Watch it disrespect that. It may not. It may very well fall, guys. Good morning, good morning. Or very well may disrespect it. I don't know. I don't like it, so I'm not going to take it. If I were to take it, it needs to break below here. which is more than 40. So I'd have to recalculate. That's 70, that'd be about 7 ticks, I think. Yeah. 7 contracts. I might be willing to take that if it break below. But it looked like it want to pop up first. I don't know. Check the 5 minute 1 second. I don't know. Here we go. All right, I'm in it. My name's Bennett and I'm in it. Risking 270. Ew. And that was kind of a terrible entry, but I'm in it. Okay, let me send my idea to the chat. If it wicks me out, that sucks. Put this in the chat real quick. I have a calculated risk, so I'm not really, scared to take it. It's getting a little weaker, but, it happens. Yeah, bro, I think it's just too much for my computer to handle because, like, it's slowing down. It's slowing down. Like, everything I'm working on is slowing down. On me. I know we're going to take that. That's a small L, bro. Small L. Took that L. Look at coming back for us on a 5 minute. That's disgusting. Disgusting. I don't like them 1 minute levels, bro. I took that small L. Let's see what this one looking like. 106. Dang, I missed my entry. That would have been my entry. 106. 5 contracts. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. $128. Probably like 2 contracts. Let's see if it faked me out and wants to push a little higher. See it hit this bottom here? This is a 1 minute zone. Let's see if it'll hold or break. I can only pretty much take one more setup. So. Unless I lower my contract sizes. 6 contracts. I'm going to wait to see what they want to do. That's not a strong enough break for me. I think it'll continue higher, so I'm going to just wait. Let's see the 5 minute. Still got 3 more minutes in a 5 minute. That would have been my entry for the 113. God dog. I don't like it though. We just like barely scraped the bottom here. All right, I want to see it break that zone. Looks like it will. We got 2 more minutes, so I'm going to be patient. Because, again, I probably got like 1 more trade left. So, let's see. And then somebody typed it, reacting off bullying and inversion, fair value gap. This one probably here, maybe. This one probably here, maybe. Not sure. But y'all see on the 5-minute, this was just a weak break. We want stronger breaks than that. So I probably just shouldn't have even been in that one. So it happens. The goal is to learn from mistakes. This is why we also journal. Okay, that low-key would have been my entry. But we missed it, so maybe not. I don't want to be too scared not to take it. But at the same time, this is some crap, bro. 112, 280. All right. I'm going to go back to the 5-minute and look for the break of candle. 140. Probably like a contract, to be honest. If we break that low, I'll probably enter. But it looked like it want to keep going up. Let's see, bro. That's why I don't like zooming in too much. Because that 1 minute will trick you, bro. And nothing broke here. Like, it had a minor break of structure here that I like after hitting a bottom. So I want to see if it does it again. I want to see if it breaks structure again to the upside. That's kind of what I'm looking for right now. To create another zone here. And I mean, it very well might be cool off these zones, but it's just not showing me that I want to go down. As of right now, at least. We hit a bottom. We hit a bottom. Let's see if we can break structure to the upside. We're breathing. We're breathing. We're going to zoom out so y'all can see it just a little more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And this. Let's see if we can break structure, bro. Okay. Y'all see how it's still in this same little zone? I got to be patient. I didn't even ask how y'all doing today. Kino Casino's in the house. Did you take a trade, Kino Casino?
Oh damn.
Okay. Okay, it's a nicer break of structure. I feel like this kind of would have been cool, but y'all see the break of this one? Like, it's a wick. These markets are disgusting, bro. Like, awful work. Awful work, bro. You guys going to church on Easter? Oh, love it. All right, we broke some structure. I'm sure we broke it on the 5-minute as well. So, we're going to wait for it to close. See what it does. Look like it want to take liquidity, but hey, come on. Like, what's over here to the left? Like, I don't... Look at that. Look at that garbage even right there. Let's see it break structure, bro. Continue higher. Because I know it ain't going to come get this. Can't possibly, bro. Could, but I doubt it. Keep on breaking structure to the upside. That's what we want to see. And we're going to make this bigger. But we want to see another, like, we want to see this close above that. That's a okay wick, you know? But we want to see. Oh, he's in these buys? You like those buys. Okay. Okay. Let's see if you'll get tapped in. You just might. He's all tapped in, guys, I believe. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. We're waiting. We're waiting. Look at this. Ugh. Filthy work. Filthy work, Kino Casino. What is with all these ginormous zones, bro? Yeah, I like it. I like buys, bro. Come on, let's see your TP1 smash. I'm still waiting. I like it. So basically, this was a fake, and then it's just like, hey, let's go up. Nice. 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 I wish that was our story. Price don't want to give us an entry. And this is too close. Like, I don't know if I can even make it in time. I'm moving too slow. Definitely. I agree. Consolidate, manipulate, and shoot for the stars, for sure. That boy ICC knew what he was doing.
I just got tapped into them Johns.
Nice. 41 ticks.
Yeah.
12 contracts.
Low risk, super low risk. Risking $100 on the straight.
Nice.
Be honest, I don't think I could get 2-to-1 though, but maybe 1-to-1.
Okay. Y'all know that 10 o'clock coming. I might take this one though. I don't know. It'd be my last trade just because I don't have that much risk left. Unless I lower my risk, but it's whatever. It's not the greatest breakaway, and it's actually not even on the 5 minutes. So I don't know, but who cares? We're in a great area of interest. We're at a retest level, so it's not the worst idea. Probably the best thing I could do is wait for the break of candle. But I'm a risk taker.
Order filled.
Okay, somebody's in there. That 10 o'clock there, I'm low-key scared. Don't be scared, Kaya. I'm low-key scared. I'll take it there. 66. Break of candle. And I'm going to lower my contract size too. You're right. Might as well. Look at that. That would have pissed me off, bro. Maybe it's just rejecting. It'll reject. Nope, guys. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm going to wait for the 5 minute zone. The 1 minute zone just took me out. So I'm cool. I'm cool. 117 ticks. Probably need to risk like 3. I might miss like 2 contracts.
I'm down 30 beams for the day.
Dang.
Back.
It's cool, gang.
Nah, choppy today. Definitely choppy.
Yeah, the worst. Like, if it fake breakout to drop, bro, I'm gonna be mad because I was in the cells. I'm gonna just wait. We are at a key level, so we gotta see how it reacts from this key level. How is it going to react? 10 o'clock is in 1 minute. How is it going to react? Oh, it wouldn't. Hold on. Let me stop. Let me stop. I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock. I'm gonna just wait. I ain't doing nothing else. And just wait. Let's zoom out. Let's make sure we're seeing the right stuff. Okay? We're overall bearish, but look at us breaking up to the upside. Like, price is not messing with the bulls. I mean, the bears. Price is breaking structure to the upside. "40 seconds until we have news. And if it continues to break structure, like that's like not break structure, but that's like wick break structure, but then that's like stronger break structure. So we're just gonna keep waiting. No rush, no rush. 20 seconds, guys, 20 seconds. It held. The little zone I marked out earlier is holding. I don't like it though. I ain't like it. I ain't like it at all. Because watch 10 o'clock come and wick it out. Just for a few reference, this was the zone that I made. Now, if it dubs, great. I was scared. 10 o'clock has made me afraid. Let's see if I have a right to be afraid of 10 o'clock. Maybe I was chicken. Maybe I was tweaking, guys. I was scared. I was definitely scared. Oh, Kita Casino's face is on there. Wow. You're handsome. Just gonna lock into my trades, my bad.
Hey girl, what's up? Man,
Hey.
this thing makes a lot of noise for everything it does.
It does. I'm sorry. All right, guys.
Well, it looks like the trade would have hit TP. Well,
Same.
it's going to TP. I just got stopped out early.
Be like that. Also, this trade, I'd have been scared. Let's see if it would have played out. Oh. Yeah, it looked like it wants to, push on up. There's a slight break of structure here. Don't love it. I want to wait for the 5-minute move. But there is no 5-minute move. You see that? There's no 5-minute move right now. But it's only 10 o'clock. I still got an hour. Ugh. I don't really care about that one. I already lost it. And this blue zone got broken through, so we're gonna delete it. 1 hour zone. This is really what I'm waiting on, guys. I'm waiting to see if the 5-minute will come back and get me. Just a gang party, you can now get in. I don't know if he says gangster there, guys. I'm just chatting.
Tragic day.
Yeah.
Trash. It's fine. Just keep your losses small.
Still ain't doing nothing. It's all right. It might. Oh. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, nah, nah. I know, Chaos. I know, bro. I know, bro. That news was no news, bro. And it looked like it. Ugh. I'm just trying not to go off my feelings right now because of what it looked like. Because it looked like it want to go up. But it's not what it's given. But we don't have no momentum to really like do anything for real. There's like nothing. Market, what do you do?
We're not gonna be able to trade tomorrow, right?
I'm not. Nope.
I don't think we'd be able to.
I mean, the flight is at 9, though. We could trade at the airport. I don't know if I'd be able to go live because my computer is not handling.
9. I don't think we'd be able to trade.
True, because it would have been 10 o'clock just right then. Unless we just snipe something, but what are the chances? We'd be boarding by then. So probably not. Probably not. Oh, yes, I will be traveling tomorrow, guys. So I probably, like he just said, won't be live tomorrow. Just because my flight's in the morning. But we'll be back Thursday for surely. Let me actually see the GIF. Do y'all call them GIFs or GIFs? I call it a GIF. Get it? Because they're sending it to you. Ha ha ha. Play on words. All right, hold on now. We might get some action. But will it continue after hitting this level? No, sir. Oh, yes, we are getting married. Technically, we are married. That's my husband. But we're having our big wedding ceremony with our family. So, super exciting. 4/4. And dang, we had a friend on here a couple months ago whose wife's birthday was on 4/4. He's not here currently, but yeah. All right, I ain't gonna lie though. If it tap in, bro, I might take the buys. Thank y'all. That's why I keep hyping him up, y'all. He not no stranger. That's my boo thing. Man, marriage is beautiful. People, they tweaking if they think it's not. They just maybe not ready. You gotta grow up. You know what I mean? Gotta have some understanding that you have to grow just as much as they have to grow. And then y'all got to grow together. Whew, it's a beautiful thing. Can you imagine becoming your best self with the love of your life? And as they're becoming their best self day by day? I recommend 10 out of 10. Because you make me better. Hashtag Kino. Same person for life. That's what I'm saying, bro. Ain't got to worry about nobody else but him. That's it. You didn't miss nothing. I took a L. Looking for the cells, and then look what happened. Bloop. Psych. Constantly changing, get to know each other all over again. Yes, being married 12 years. Let's go. Married at 21. That was my plan, but I just didn't meet him yet. I needed to meet him before I could get married because, Yes. And so I was ready to give up hope at 19. But what gave me hope was I met a lady who got married, had a kid, was living lovely, lovely. Then her husband died. And then she got married again. She found love 2 times in his lifetime. I knew I could find one, bro. I knew I could find one. And I did. Right there. Pray for that man right there, boy. Y'all is playing with us. But we being patient. Look at us. Who we looking at? Who we looking at? Who we looking at? The one who's got his camera on. All right, hold on now. I like it, but I don't like it because we at a level. We at a level. But I like it though.
This is so trash. I'm not gonna lie to you. So trash.
It is, my love. But I might take it. All right, let's double check. 115 ticks. I think it's like 5 contracts, like 280. I ain't trying to risk all that. 115. Yeah, 5 contracts, $187. So I'm gonna put 2 contracts on there, John. Minimal risk. It's probably still gonna be about 250. And I'm gonna just shoot for the 1 to 2, bro, because I ain't. Ugh. These markets are garbage. Like, what is going on? Like, it's a small pullback. Like, that's necessary. But, dude. Tap me in. Tap me in. Not gonna lie, y'all. I've been watching SpongeBob in the mornings. Straight brain rot, bro. SpongeBob is a box of rocks. And then Squidward is just mean. Squidward's mean. He hates everybody. He just hates everybody. For no reason at all. And then he forced SpongeBob to be normal. And then he was normal. And then he was mad that he wasn't acting himself. Like, story of my life. I'm a big bucket of energy. Bro, what is this market doing? Like, so yes, this is a break of structure to the downside, but that's real choppy. It took a long time for that break. As opposed to this, shot up nice and strong. So I need us to come get a tap. Unless, of course, it just breaks structure to the upside again, but I don't feel comfortable taking this. Especially after all this bullish movement. I don't know. I don't freaking know. I don't like it. I think it's a nice little pullback. It need to come tap real quick. And then it could just go up higher. Otherwise, we could just be done with one, bro. I have noticed, though, a lot of my trades have been playing out after 10:30 lately. Like, for my strategy, which is crazy. If y'all have not, y'all can follow me on Instagram. Y'all can do Kaya trades, but you can follow me on my regular one. TheKaiajanae. The Kaya Janae. That's your girl. I really just post on my story, though. I don't really be posting on the actual thing. I got some photos up there, but okay. Always supply to mail works better. I know, like, that don't make no sense. 10:30, like, I might as well wake up at 10 o'clock. Well, 9 o'clock my time, but. So the market house has some structure. Yeah, for sure. Because sometimes, the news can just, like, play around with it and make it do dumb stuff, and then it just looks nice. London's has nice, okay. So, yeah, and then I think a few of the ladies here also trade Asia. Like, I just don't be having time to trade Asia. Like, These 2 hours are different from later hours for me, and I be working. So I would like to be one of those gold Asia girlies, but I don't be seeing nothing. Nothing on YM at least. All right, yeah, I'm gonna wait for that tap and then for it to go back up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little thing on here. Right here. I'm gonna put 2 contracts on. Limit buy, 2 contracts. This will be my last trade idea of the day. And if I get stopped out, then I lose my 500 on the day. We can make it back though tomorrow or the day after. You don't, so she don't trade YM, only gold or NQ or silver. Yeah, I mean, I'd like to branch out, but it's just, don't really have the time to do so, you know? And can I just say, I appreciate you guys for being here, man. Y'all could be in any other Discord, but y'all came to show up, to trade. And I ain't gonna lie, we low-key been having some rough days. We've been having some good days in between those rough days, but I think it's just this month, like, price action is just garbage. So, hey, as long as we keep showing up and we don't give up, we'll be okay. I have high hopes for next month. And if not, we'll keep going, have high hopes for the next month. But we gonna show up.
Trump's. Yeah, I heard about Trump's inside trader. Who is that, Mimi? Yeah, I heard about that one.
Share it with your girl, because I don't know what happened. I've heard that with other politicians.
They all do it. They're all on the same
I believe it. Can you share about it if you don't mind hopping on the mic? Or you could type it all. I don't mind reading.
That news that he came up with, what was it, last week, Friday or Monday? That he was going to stop ceasefire in Iran. Right before he did it, like a big amount of traders came in. Big volume of traders came in.
All right, we got tapped in, guys.
Right before he announced it.
I got tapped in.
Sales, baby?
No, I'm in the buys, unfortunately.
Oh, okay, good. For sure.
Risking about $117 if it drops down.
Yep. A lot of volume came into the market.
Dang, that's crazy. Mike Shy, that's okay. I am in for the buys. I didn't put it in the chat, did I? Yeah, I mean, it's not, but it is, because, like, dang, why y'all just be doing stuff like that?
It's politicians. They all make money. They all on the same team.
Trade idea 2. Last trade idea. Ba-da-da, da-da, 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 ba-da-da. All right. We're just waiting. Watch it since it hit that level drop, but you never know. You never know. We're bullish right now. All right, I'm gonna play a game on my phone. Y'all know I like my, dang, I can't even remember the name. Do I like it that much? Monopoly Go. Ooh, bro, I don't know how 197 freaking spins. See, I just won $1 million for coming back for day 4. Let's go. Or day 5. I'll turn it down, guys. But I don't know.
It's a celebration party. You're not getting...
Oh, it's a I kept saying it's a gangster party. Too funny, bro. That's funny. If the next candle breaks above, I might add contracts on. At least.
Buys if we get a nice potion go.
Nice. president
Ooh, I
in.
like that candle. Ooh, I like that candle.
He
I like
likes
it
that.
in.
He likes that candle, guys. Oh my gosh, some fun fact that I learned about this New Yorker over here, guys, is when they mean something, they'll say it 2 times. Like if the water is good, they'll let you know, bro, that water was good,
It's
yo.
okay.
Like that water was good. Like they'll say it twice. It's so fun. He was like, I like that candle. I like that candle. That's how you made your 5K without looking. Wi-Fi ended up disconnecting. Dang, god dog. Hey, as you should, take advantage, bro. But like I was saying earlier, the I have like 80 spins. See, like it was just at 80 and now it's at 70. Oh, because it does it times 5. Oh. Let's turn that off. Duh. You could rob somebody. It's really like a bank heist. Got a bank heist for $991,000. You know what I mean? Oh, look at this dumb stuff here, bro. If we can break above that candle, like the previous candle didn't close in the zone. If we could break above it, I'll add more to the position.
My candle did not tap me in, so
That's okay.
trash.
Bro, that would make me cry if my wife, cause that did. I blew my account one day because it glitched. I think that was the day that I blew my account when it was glitching on here, bro. Hate that. Might be a quick L today. Dang, bro.
Yeah, that John is dropping. That John is dropping.
Are you serious, bro?
Damn, that John is dropping.
That's embarrassing.
I just had to lock in my losses for today.
Like, you can reject, little buddy. And then fly to the moon like you want to. So is it gangster or celebration? Because now I'm confused. Now I'm confused.
I don't know. I'm confused with you.
I like it. It tapped that 1 minute demand that was down there. Okay. Okay. I seen it earlier too. Let's see it break and hold.
What's his name?
I don't know. It's on my Instagram story. Let's see if it'll hold, guys. That probably would have been a better RR, to be honest. Waiting for here. Catching it all the way up. But let's see if it wants to play around and see, like, look, this is an interesting break. It's okay. And it's a little tap after the zone, after hitting the level. So, I mean, if it want to drop, bro, it's cool. We can hear you. Was you sharing a song? Come on, big dog. Come save us. Somebody save me. Save me. Y'all, he looked up that song for me. Come on, bro. Break some structures to the upside. Let's go. If it breaks the high of that candle, I'm going to add on to this position. 118 times 2, probably like 236-ish. It's not too shabby. for the 500.
Baby, it's a motion party.
Yeah. But I thought you was looking for who it was, who the guy was. All right.
It's a motion party. You cannot get in.
Motion party. So we was both wrong. I'm weak. All right, let's see if we just remove this yellow box. Let's see how I'm feeling.
Last trade idea.
Nice. Does that look cleaner to y'all? That looks so much cleaner to me.
But you heard me, baby? It's the motion party.
Yeah, I heard you. All right, we might get this breaking structure. I'm going to add to this position. But we have to break it. Like, if we don't break it, bro, I'm not doing it. That's a great rejection candle, though. No cap. No wrap cap.
My God.
But y'all see that rejection after the tap, bro? It's got to go up. I'm going to add my little 2 right here.
Order filled.
It's all good. I'm take my loss with the damn walk away.
Okay. Good stuff, gang. Way to be disciplined. When I grow up, I want to be just like you. Let's see how it reacts from that demand of these demand zones, man. He's really good at walking away from like not so great trades. I'm still working on that because I be wanting my revenge. Oh, actually, I cannot add this because it'll count as a 3rd trade. But what if I needed it though? Like, I just won't be able to take another trade after that, which this should be my last trade idea anyways. So, but that'll be my trade number 3 for the day. This looks so much cleaner without that yellow box. It's giving like bullish structure, break of structure, tap of zone, break of candle, keep going higher. That's what it's giving. So let's see. It's a motion party, you cannot get in. All right, I like it so far. If we can break that high, I really like it. We got 3 minutes to do so. I think it'll work. Come on, big dog. Go up. You can do it. I believe. Always work it, always work it, always work it. All right, let's see. Patiently waiting. Waiting for good news. For my ladies in the chat, did y'all watch the Hannah Montana thing? The anniversary? I want to watch it. But I haven't been able to access Disney Plus. All right, we're in. Let's see it go. Let's see it go. We're going to shoot for the 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is right there. We can see if there's liquidity to the right, to the left. Like kind of right here, but we're just going to leave it. We're going to leave it. Like it could come way up here. I'm not willing to wait that long. That's probably my 1 to 4, to be honest. Yep, kind of around my 1 to 4 area. I might hold it. I ain't got nothing to lose. I just might hold it. But that means I'm going to have to walk away later. Because, like, once a certain time hit, bro, I'm done. I'm done looking at the charts. This is a pretty solid setup. 1 to 1, I'm moving to break even. So, either way it goes, we're done. But this looks way cleaner than what we was dealing with earlier. Clean push above that candle. Agreed. Yeah, I didn't see the Miley Cyrus thing either. But I like Tana Montana. I don't really remember the show. I remember the movies because I'm a movie girl. But it's whatever. How was your tea, Chaos? What kind of tea did you have? Oh, who had tea? Somebody had some tea. There's this song that's called Pressure. And like I like the beat. And granted, like I get it, the words are kind of hyping her up. But I don't really like the words. I like the part where you say, "Shawty, you pressure." Do 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 do. Shawty, you pressure. But then he say other things that just don't say to me out in public type beat. Especially if I don't know you like that. Dang, my camera cut off. I feel like this gonna take forever. Oh wow. Whew, man. Come on, big dog. I'm trying to see 285, then I'm out of here, bro. It's 10:30. Let's go. You took a L? Oh, the first trade? Yeah. I mean, you gotta be somewhere, you gotta be somewhere. We will catch you tomorrow, Chaos. Oh, dang, she already left. Tea was good? Nice. Oh, nice. Cool. Bye, Chaos. Oh, she was right there. Bye. Oh, dang, no, I won't be here tomorrow. Dang. I mean, y'all can still hop on the thing. I think. Bye, Mimi. I'll see what I'll put it in the chat. Don't worry about it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm low-key finna dip too, bro. I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes. 10:45. I'm gonna see where it's at, and then I'll let y'all go. I'm not gonna keep y'all here forever. But it's looking good so far, you know? We at the beginning stages of it. If we can get a break of that high right there, I'd be cool. That's giving like 1-to-1, so. It just had to pull back a little bit. Whew. Let me distract myself. It's gonna stop me out at $500 before it stops my actual stop loss. If it stops me out.
Because he committed child molestation. The congregation gave him a standing ovation. The victim confronted him. Let's go to the first video. For 27 years, I lived in a prison. It was not 20 years. I lived in a prison of lies and shame. Lying to protect the Lowe family. For years, I thought I was a horrible person having suicidal thoughts, not realizing what had been truly done to me. I was just 16 when you took my virginity on your office floor. Do you remember that? I know you do, and I have plenty of other stories that I could bring to remembrance.
Bro, Market, what are you doing, bro?
It should have never been done. If you can't admit the truth, you have to answer to God. You are not the victim here. I tried to tell someone, but all that was done was cover up.
Y'all see this, bro?
No one ever came to me. No one ever helped me. No one ever got me counseling. I have wanted to talk to somebody all these years and never. You have.
Got $100 left on the trade, bro. If it stopped me out. Ugh.
This church has been built on lies, but no more. The lies need to stop. I could give story after story after story to where
Looks like I'm gonna take an L today, guys. Negative 500. Watch. Ugh.
a partial truth is not true. A part. If I would have gotten counseling, your dad would be in prison.
Come on, bro. This is stupid, bro. The market just like, I don't really care about what you got going on. That's like so irritating. So aggravating. We just sitting here, bro, watching it finna just go to our stop loss because what is the market doing? We got caught on the sells. Stop loss. The buys was going up. The buys is not going up. Like, what are we doing, bro? Like, I expect, bro, fully retrace. Come on, bro. Uh, come on, man. Come on, man. Get us back to break even, minimum, bro. Look at this, bro. All right. We were stopped out. We were right the first time. Price wanted to go lower. It's okay. Like, look at this ridiculousness, bro. Like, what type of stuff is this, bro? The yellow box is right here. It didn't break the yellow box. It did break the yellow. No, it did break the yellow box. This is not where I found the yellow box. But we're done on the day, bro. We're locked out. So that was unfortunate. But this is where the yellow box was. That's insane. Market just don't want us to win. Not yet, anyways. All right. 2 L's. Suck. But it happens. Price hit a key level and was like, yeah, I want to drop from here. So dang near want to keep my biases the next time. But it's all a learning lesson. We'll figure it out. Still take the L. No, same. Take the L. Still up for the week. Live to trade another day. Precisely. So we'll be back. Probably not tomorrow. I'll see. I'll put in the chat at least so y'all can be on here together and just like, talk, I guess. I know y'all don't use your mics, but y'all could. We'll just see how that is. If not, we'll circle back on Thursday. Circle back on Thursday. Got some substitutes. All right, y'all. Catch y'all tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Thursday. Thursday. I'm gonna wait till you finish typing. I see you typing. We'll see. I'll ask her. See if she want to do it. All right. Have a good one. Poo cheese, bro. Poo cheese. Poo poo. Poo poo. Marcus is garbage.